Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to allow everyone to mention you on the Instagram app when using it on your PC. This new update makes it easier for anyone to tag you in their posts or comments, which can be great for increasing your visibility and engagement. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look to the left side menu where you'll find several icons. Click on the More icon, which usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. This will open up additional options for you to explore. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience and control your privacy settings. Inside Settings, find and click on the section labeled Tags and Mentions. This area manages how others can interact with you through tagging and mentioning. Now, look for the option titled Who Can Mention You. By default, this might be set to only allow people you follow or your followers to mention you. To change this and allow everyone to mention you, simply select Allow Mentions from Everyone. This means any Instagram user can tag you in their stories, comments, or posts. Once you've made this change, you're all set. Instagram will now notify you whenever someone mentions you, regardless of whether you follow them or not. This setting is perfect if you want to grow your network, collaborate with new people, or just stay connected with a wider audience. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and adjust it if you want to restrict who can mention you in the future. Instagram gives you full control over your privacy and how you engage with others. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully allowed everyone to mention you on Instagram using the app on your PC. Thanks for watching and enjoy connecting with more people on Instagram.